Hey, so I'm Nick Lemiz. I'm a senior test engineer here at iRobot. My day-to-day involves working with our hardware and software test teams to ensure the performance metrics that we're making are going to be ready for marketing team to kind of take over from there. So here we are in our home test lab, or the HTO as we like to call it in our office here. We do a lot of testing with the robots in a very realistic environment, as though you would expect to see in a modern home. So here in the HTO, we actually have a nice spacious living room here as kind of to simulate an average home. But other rooms that we have that are available include a kitchen, dining room, foyer, and a bedroom as well, just to kind of show off a lot of the furniture that you might expect in your average home. So here in the HTO, we do a lot of testing mostly for our navigation of our robots. How well does it, map out a space? How well can it avoid objects? That sort of deal. Here in the home test lab, we like to get every single little detail correct, right down to the tiny little bits. Here at iRobot, we value your privacy of your data. We store the data only on US servers, and we use data only to improve your cleaning experience. We do not sell your data to anyone. Thank you for taking a tour with me of the iRobot Home Test Lab. With over 35 years of robotic experience and innovation, that is the Roomba difference.